Start.
Okay, go.
Alright. You're talking about it? Alright, well, let's all introduce ourselves first. I'm Rudy.
Julian.
I'm Emma.
I'm Chris.
I'm Audrey.
Spencer.
Kelsey.
Alright, and we did the theme park idea with a pirate twist, I guess. Pirate theme. So yeah. Why don't we just go through the steps and that was okay. Alright, so we've got our this opens and the car goes down, transferring potential energy to kinetic energy. It's going to fall in here, and then this just kind of acts as a, I don't know, I guess you could just say it's a pulley, but it's kind of more of a lever because it doesn't pull that much. But pulls this up, and then this is going to gain a little potential energy because it's going to be up, and then right away it's going to fall down, kinetic energy, hit the dominoes, transfers kinetic energy between the dominoes. It's going to hit this last one here. You can't see it behind the wood, but it's got like foil around it. So it's going to fall into this mousetrap, complete the circuit, turn on the light in this pirate cove, which you can't once again really see from here, but there's like a light in there and stuff, and it's pretty awesome. There's a light sensor in there that will sense that the light's on. So here's the RCX. That is connected to a motor over on this side, and the motor transfers from a gear to a bigger gear because it wasn't strong enough to flip the switch. So I guess that's electrical energy to kinetic energy, and then transfers to electrical energy again. It's going to spin this fan motor, which is going to yank this out, which will release the ship. So electrical again to mechanical to kinetic, pulling it out, releasing the potential energy of the pirate ship, which is going to swing over there. And then there's going to be that cup. It's going to have vinegar in it. It's going to fall in there. Spill the vinegar into a cup that has baking soda, so kinetic to chemical, essentially. So kinetic potential, kinetic again, and spills out in there. Chemical reaction will overflow into the container below it, which will push the lever. So it's going to be kinetic energy again, converted to kinetic energy, pushing up. Then it's going to trigger this to go down. Potential energy turns into kinetic energy, hits this switch, completes this circuit, which blasts this steel wool with angry fire from the circuit, and then it will burn this string. So electrical thermal, which burns this, which releases the potential energy of the ball kinetic energies all the way down here, hits this, transfers kinetic energy to kinetic energy. This now potential energy is going to be kinetic energy. It's going to fall. It's going to yank up on this rope that's got a marble in it, which releases the potential energy of the sand. The sand falls and buries the treasure chest. That's our Rube Goldberg. Okay. So, what else? I mean, I kind of explained the simple machines that we have going on, like pulleys, levers, anything else?
That's about it. We tried to include every type of energy we could: potential, chemical, thermal, electric. I think what else?
Mechanical.
Mechanical.
And if you notice really closely, there are parrots on our dominoes and Jack Sparrow. So that just makes Rube Goldberg so much cooler. It's Jack Sparrow.
We also have palm trees of assorted shapes and sizes.
Yeah. So, let's set up the final things like the mousetrap. And then we're going to plug everything in, and I encourage everyone to stay about a good distance away from it, because we have about 3 places where you can get electrocuted, and 1 place where there's actually an explosion that happens. So,
Is it plugged in?
yeah, don't.
Running.
Yeah, that's not running yet. So before we plug everything in, is everything like mechanical set up? I've got the mousetrap. Sand is right. Over here.
I'll just plug both of them in just to be curious.
Set up that. The lever with the. Set up. We'll set that up.
Some mechanical components or something.
Yeah. Okay. So plug these in now. Alright. Set this up hot. Yeah, that's how the battery's supposed to be. It's going to roll into this, hit this, activate that. Let me run the program. I think we're good to go.
Do it. This is plugged in right there.
Yeah.
Extension.
Yeah, make sure all the extension cords are they leading to
all
stuff?
plugged in.
Yeah, plug them both in.
Okay.
You ready?
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Success!